think we give the people more.
Yes, we do. I think you're right, bro.
I know you know.
The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. What is going on, everybody? I'm going to welcome myself back to the channel because let me tell you something, I have been neglecting it lately. I actually have another channel. It's a bodybuilding channel. I've been putting a lot of effort into that channel because the viewers of that channel had a whole bunch of stuff that they needed me to catch up on. It is not easy running two YouTube channels and trying your best to get out quality information on both at the same time, but I'm doing my very best. Today, I'm very excited to show you guys a new addition to my collection. Now, I actually have that new addition around the neck right now. You may not be able to see it, but let me get up close to show you guys what we're talking about. Boom! Today, we're looking at the 3mm rock chain by the one and only Luke Zion. Check this out. It is phenomenal. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the rock chain. This is the 3mm. I think he also has a 3.5mm, something along those lines. Guys, check this thing out. It is beautiful. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And I'm very happy to be able to support Dennis in any way that I can. Fantastic human being, fantastic website, fantastic everything. Check that out. Beautiful. Now, watch the way it glistens. This is what made me know I need to have it. And I think I might surprise my wife with it if she doesn't see this video. Look at how gorgeous this thing is. It flickers in the light. Now, again, he has I think it's a 4.5mm on the site. This is the 3mm. Man, it is beautiful. It shines, it shines, it shines. It glistens. And so, do I think the 3mm is too small? Not necessarily. And the reason why is because of the shine factor. The shine factor is gorgeous. I hope you guys are getting a good look. I'm going to have some B-roll in here to show you exactly what you're getting in case you can't tell on this camera, because sometimes even the higher quality lenses and cameras, they don't do great with the lighting. But check this out. I'm going to take this 12 feet away. That's what we do on this channel. In case you're new, in case you're not familiar, we take jewelry 12 feet away to show you what it's going to look like on you. Now, today I'm actually 162 pounds. If you normally follow the channel, you guys know that I'm typically around 150 to 155 pounds. I've been doing some bulking, so I am heavier. I am 5'6" at 161 or 62 pounds, and we're going to take this 12 feet back to show you guys what this rock chain from Luke Zion will look like. But real quick, let me just show you again. Look at this. Look at the way this thing moves. It is like glitter around your neck. It is beautiful. It will catch eyes, let me tell you. Just like most of Dennis's stuff. Most of the stuff from Luke Zion, they will absolutely catch eyes. So check this out, 12 feet away, 3mm rock chain. Let's bring it back up. Gorgeous chain, very happy to add this to my collection. Now, I'm not exactly sure why this is called the rock chain.
It doesn't matter.
It has a very, very unique pattern to it. The links are very unique. They remind me of not necessarily rocks. They kind of remind me of, I don't know how to describe it, paddles? Small paddles that all reflect the light off it. As you can see, when I turn the chain, the shine turns in unison. So the shine follows the turn of the chain very nicely because of these little paddle-looking things on this. I'm not sure how to call them. Again, they don't look like rocks to me, but it is really a great look. I love the way that shine follows that chain, and when you spin it, it really, really does nice. Something that I love about rope chains is they kind of move up and down your neck. This is going to give you the same type of look as a diamond cut rope chain. When the diamond cut rope chain moves, it catches that light and throws that light right back at whoever's viewing it. This will be the same situation. beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shine when it comes to these, we'll call them links, because they're links. They're just a very unique type of a link. Of course, as with everything when it comes to Luke Zion, silver, guys. You're looking at sterling silver, 925, very beautiful, dependable, clean, shiny, bright stuff. So I hope you guys appreciate this video. Again, I'm sorry I haven't been around on the channel, running 2 channels at the same time while being in the process of moving. In case you guys don't know, my wife and I are going to be moving pretty soon. It has been a little bit hectic here though, so doing my best to get stuff out when I can. Miss all you guys. I'm going to try to catch up on my comments because I have a whole bunch of comments that I need to get to from you guys. Anyway, be safe guys. Talk soon. I'll catch you all at the next video.